Hello and welcome to the Flixbus Experience podcast. Escott is proud to have partnered with Flixbus to provide e-ticketing and booking services to Florida and beyond. In case you didn't already know, Escott has been a Florida family-owned and operated luxury coach line for 38 years and already serves many popular destinations, including cruise terminals, casinos, ballparks, theme parks, historical sites, and locations inside and outside of Florida. Earlier this year, Flixbus announced their expansion into the Florida Keys and additional locations and stops all around the area. We thought it'd be a good idea to introduce you to the Flixbus app, how to install it, book your first trip, and get on board. So sit back and relax, learn about this revolutionary new way to travel, and get your bags packed for the ride you've been waiting for. Installing the app is simple. Go to either the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone, or the Apple App Store if you have an iPhone. Once you enter the search term Flixbus and hit the search button, you'll find this icon. Tap it to install the Flixbus app, and when complete, tap to open it. That's it. It's simple to install. Now you have the app open, let's take a look around and book a trip. The interface for the Flixbus app is simple and friendly, and you can see when you've selected the first field, the departure city, when you start typing, a selection of cities appears, allowing you to check the appropriate starting point. Selecting the return field gives you the same result, so let's check our availability for the following dates. When you select the third field, a calendar pops out to allow you to select your future travel date. Now check the return field and click your return date. Let's check how many adults and children are traveling. Select the quantity by tapping the plus or minus icons. Same for children, and if you have a bike that you need to bring with you now. You can also check the option to add a wheelchair. Accommodations are made for any guests that require assistance, so not to worry. Now tap the back button and select Search to plan your trip. Your outbound options come up and allow you to scroll through locations and pickup times to pick the one-way time, location, cost, and direct or connecting trip. Options in red indicate that a bus is filling up fast, so be sure to complete your reservation if you want that time and location. Be careful, there are usually multiple pickup points and times, so choose wisely. Now select your return trip. The same options come up, so if you find one that fits, click the green checkbox and click Next. If you need to add additional passengers, now's your last chance before you finish booking. Click the passengers icon and fill out your details. To get your confirmation, enter your email address your first and last names, and click Save. Now let's check out the extra that you can add to your trip. Flixbus allows you to reserve your seat, if you wish, for only $1.49 each way. If you're traveling with a lot of luggage, you can add extra bags for $9.99. Flixbus is a green company and allows you to offset your carbon for 71 cents and will allow you to get SMS text messages in case of any delays or changes to your trip. Be sure to click this button and add your phone number to get text messages sent directly to you. Now choose how you'd like to buy your tickets and choose a credit card or PayPal. All payments are processed securely and encrypted, so your credit card info is safe. Finally, if you need an invoice for your business trip, click the button and fill out the info. You can also enter a voucher code to pay for your travel. Once you verify your information one last time, be sure to check the time remaining on your booking. The last step before paying for the trip is to click the Agreement for Privacy policy, then tap the Buy button. You'll get your boarding pass and be ready to get on the bus. Escott Bus Lines always recommends trip insurance, so once you've confirmed your trip, get your itinerary and go to the website link shown here at escottbuslines.com/travel-insurance and fill out the form to protect you from any unforeseen events and mishaps. We're sure you're going to love traveling on Flixbus, and Escott will make sure you're comfortable and enjoy the ride with things like power outlets, charging stations, free Wi-Fi, and reclining seats. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the Flixbus Experience. Come back next time for another episode where we'll show you the buses, the drivers, and the destinations that make Escott and Flixbus the premier charter for your travel in Florida and beyond. Until next time, good luck and have a good trip.